Okay, see you guys after 10 days. After 7 days. My akka is like, see, it seems. She doesn't want to come into the camera. You're better than that day. Anyways, I'm leaving to High Tech City house now. Almost 5 o'clock. It'll take at least 1 hour to reach there. The reason I'm going to High Tech City apartment is because you guys know that I'm traveling international in the next 2 or 3 days. We're excited about that. I'll come back and see you guys 7 days, 8 days. After that, you come there to our new fancy house. Definitely, I'll miss this place, but if I don't come, she'll slice. Running out of fuel. Would you like to search near petrol pump? Definitely we need fuel. Range is literally 32 kilometers left. Last video someone even told me, so Iman bro, you have to fill fuel in your car. Already your car gives 7 or 8 kilometers per liter and the range is 32 kilometers only left. I mean, my new house is around 23-24 kilometers from here, but we don't want to go on margin. So yes, first things first, let's go put some fuel. Cash. There you go. Our range is 309 kilometers now. Aram se I can give the intro. What's up guys? Kaise ho? Hello Naru. Hope everyone is doing great. Chalo, reach Pooja's mom's place. We'll be picking up Pooja and Hamara cutie Naisha. I'll be seeing her after almost I think 3 or 4 days. By the way, a few people were asking me why didn't Pooja come along with me to our old house. It would be great for a collab on my video between Naisha and Anaya. You think I don't know that? Only thing is, even Pooja's own brother, Pooja's brother Aditya and his wife Madhurima, they have a son together now. So Pooja had to be there and they have some formalities to do, some pujas and all that to do. That is the reason she didn't come. But after this upcoming international trip, we'll come back to our new house, stay for 2 or 3 days and then go back to my old house, and then we'll definitely have both of our cuties Naisha and Anaya on the video. Alright?
Look who's here. Look who's there. And we are back. We are back to business.
Will you see my nephew?
I can't show your nephew right now, and that is the reason Pooja didn't come along with me to the old house.
He's just 3 months old and
She was celebrating here with the new kid.
my nephew came on the same day as Priyanka and Napu.
Oh, yes. Yeah, that's Papa's car. What's Papa's car? What is Papa's car?
Kia.
Kyo. Hey, you're also getting accent, huh? You're not Canadian, okay?
Kia, Papa car.
Okay, let's go to our new house. Okay?
Okay, Papa.
Yeah, that's our car. Oh yes, this is the scary part. Every time we come to Aparna, we have to carry all this luggage and go. And I'm really sick of carrying all this luggage. Can I take this? I'll just park the car in the parking and come. Good job. You get nice cardio. So much of luggage again. Chalo, let's park the car and come. Actually, you didn't help today. You didn't help us. What are you doing, dude? You're not supposed to drive. You still have time. Wait, you leave the steering. Leave it. Wait. Wait. No, don't honk. Very good. Chalo, let's go now. Come on. Chalo, this table is for Pooja's work. Hey, you started. She remembers this. Your favorite toy.
Oh,
Wow. That's it. She'll be busy for some time. Meanwhile, we'll finish our work. Just now, finally, we booked our trip. I thought all these days we booked our trip, but today morning I got a mail from the hotel and they said you have to pay. I was like, I did my payment already. What is this? Then I understood that they just held my card. Now they actually sent me the payment link. Then I went and checked my account. Actually, they didn't debit. Now finally it happened. Abhi, it was not debited. I was not able to use my card because there was some international limit and all that on my card. I had to remove all that, and then finally it went through. Anyways, all good. Naisha's passport is also here. Naisha, your passport, you know. See, this is not eating. So we are all ready. Another 2 days and we will be out of this place. We'll go. This is the first time we're gonna have an international trip. You know that? International trip first time on my channel. Actually, me and Pooja went for an international trip, Hong Kong. Like when we got married in the
To
beginning.
all the Asian countries.
To all the Asian countries. But that time I was not vlogging. That time I never vlogged.
Hong Kong में किया ना रे तो भूल गया.
Yeah, actually people can check that
That's
vlog
what
out.
we-
Is it
that's-
still there on the
that is-
channel or did I delete it?
As usual, my Bulakarpati forgot.
Actually, Hong Kong I started. That was the first time. I was not vlogging. Like I used to capture things and I edited it and I put it on the channel. That's it. Anyways, this is gonna be super exciting. One small clue I'll give you. This is Pooja's favorite place. Right?
I don't know if it's my
I hope
favorite.
you're happy.
I can't tell it's my favorite till I go, no?
Hey, this is bad. You said this is my favorite place. I want to
Not
go there. That's my
favorite,
dream
and
destination.
Yes, it is one of my. It was my dream destination, kind of, but not my favorite. I don't know about favorite till I go. Right? You have to go and first visit.
Okay, chalo, I'll cancel it.
Cancel it, Ray. Cancel it.
And they'll not give my refund. Abhi, even if a tsunami comes, I have to dive and go. Swimming karke I'll go. I can't help it. By the way, our Bose soundbar is here. You know this? I got my Bose soundbar.
Wow! Let us use it first.
We're gonna use it now. I hope it's
Oh, this
enough
is
here.
what, This is what Priyanka got.
Oh yes, my sister
Nice.
got me a gift.
Nice.
This one. Actually, I
तू
thought.
one second अपनी sister को gift देता कभी? उसको
I
gift
said
देता?
actually while coming here, I said, "What do you want?" She said, "I'll tell you later." So Priyanka, if you're watching, Akka, if you're watching, you'll watch my vlogs. I know. If you need something, tell me. I'll gift you. Same value, okay? Same.
When girls
Same value.
see-
Just kidding. You ask me
when
whatever you
girls
want.
when girls say I'll think about you, मतलब something बहुत बड़ा आ रहा है.
अभी already हुआ card. Ask me थोड़ा छोटा. Anyway, I was thinking this sound bar is gonna be big, but once I put it here, look at it. It's tingo छोटू है. Oh, size comparison if you want. I didn't connect it yet.
Let us watch a movie कुछ तो करेंगे ना?
See, Naisha's height.
ए डड्डू नाइशा ऐसे छोटा है रे ओवर मत कर.
Let's plug it in and maybe tonight we'll watch a movie. What are you making today? Dinner?
What do you want?
I have no clue. I'm okay. I'll eat anything. You have to appreciate this about your husband. I'm not fussy about eating, right?
None of us are fussy.
No, I'm not fussy, right?
Yeah,
None
you're
of
not
us
fussy.
can.
That is correct.
I'm okay eating anything.
Yeah.
Sometimes if there's nothing, I'll say bread दे दो बस है मेरे लिए.
Nothing कभी होता नहीं है.
No, I'm
Because
saying
I definitely like.
you
to
will
eat.
definitely want to make it. I'm not
Yeah.
saying that. You're ready to do that.
I
I'll
can't
eat
eat bread every day, dude. मुझसे नहीं
I'm a
होता.
bread person. I can live on bread literally.
I like it, but not every day.
Chalo, we set up the new Bose soundbar. I don't know how to switch it on. This is the first time I'm using OnePlus TV and an optical cable. I hope it works. But nice, what I like is it looks very minimal. Go and switch it on. Actually, let me play one song and see. She's saying Akka. Yeah, this is Akka. This is Papa. Who is this? Tata. Tata. Very good.
Hello, Peter.
It's actually impressive, right? I mean,
very
utna chota, it is like so loud, and not only loud, and it's
Yeah.
clear.
Bose
It's
is
not
Bose.
distorting, right? Actually, Pooja gave a look like this. Impressive types. I mean, I did not tell her anything. I just played it and I said, "How does it sound?"
It is impressive. जो है.
Nice, no? I mean, really, it's impressive. Look at this size. It doesn't feel like it's coming from that.
It's nice and sleek. I
Yeah.
don't like stuff which is very.
Yeah, there are no like big speakers and all that. This is what I like about Bose. See that? It doesn't even show till I tell that it exists there. Nice. And if we add a subwoofer for this, like I told you, it is another 30,000 if you want to add a subwoofer, but it will give, but it will give you a nice and punchy bass.
ज़्यादा और अभी कुछ नहीं. For some time चुपचाप.
Hey,
बस
we enjoy music, we enjoy deep house,
We have
we
everything
enjoy all
by
that. So
God's
I
grace.
like to invest in such stuff. Anyways, let's think about that. Welcome back to the channel, guys. What's up, guys? Say hello and hope everyone's doing great. Today is the next day. We didn't do anything much last night. We just had dinner and we crashed. Actually, you know what I'm thinking? Whether I should keep this room as my office room or should I convert this particular room, which is a guest room right now. I thought I'll convert this into my office room. Reason being, you can see that there is more light here, and as a vlogger, as someone who makes videos, you need more light. More light, much better. I mean, it doesn't matter if you have a beautiful camera like the Sony A7S III. Even in dark situation, even in any kind of situation, you can get some amazing light. But then always having natural light, it makes you look much better. And thing is, you get two amazing views from here. This side you get the city view. This side also you get kind of a city view. So I was actually thinking, even Pooja was suggesting me to take this room and convert this into the office room. That will be the guest bedroom. But my issue is there is no AC over here. That room has an AC. Maybe I'll have to put one AC. I think there is a provision. Oh yes, there is a provision here. But then we have to invest some money. I think I'll make this one my office room. Feels much bigger. It's not bigger, both are same size. But definitely the washroom is bigger here. And because of so much of light coming, this particular room feels much bigger. Hey. And it doesn't matter if you have a 65-inch TV, doesn't matter if it's a OnePlus, Sony, Samsung. It doesn't even matter if you have a Bose sound system. They will always watch some cartoonish crap yaar. What is this, Naishu? What is this? What are you watching? 70 to 80% of the time Pooja is in the kitchen only.
Hey, nothing. I want to finish and be free later, that's why.
Yeah, that sounds good, but I'm sitting alone there and watching TV.
Yeah, I'm coming. Oh, yeah.
No, the problem with Pooja is, she wants to finish everything at once. She set up the entire house like within 1 week. Who does that? I told her, आराम से करो. One by one you put.
वो ऑफिस की आदत है, checklist.
Checklist क्या? She bought everything. She set up everything. Supermarket का हो गया, IKEA का हो गया. I mean, there is nothing left. If I was alone, I was telling her, if I was alone in this house, everything would be thrown here and there. आराम से I would do it one by one. I would take at least 1 to 2 months to do it.
Sorry.
But no.
OCD,
BCD, whatever. She finished everything, and she'll get tired like this.
No, nothing. I'm coming now with you. 5 minutes हो गया.
And be excited. हमारा trip is
Very
gonna
excited.
happen.
तो अभी जाके मस्ती
So
तो करना.
relaxation, full
I hope
relaxation.
there's no
I think you
problem.
deserve this. 5-6 days, full chill karo, full relax
We are
karo.
going, right?
I hope. As of now, we are going. Okay, I'm planning to set up the side tables for the bedroom.
Yeah,
For the
please, I'm
bedroom.
waiting for that.
I'll do that. These 2 things that we bought. These 2 are 2 side tables for the bedroom. Just in case you want to put your phone or you want to put a nice lamp. We don't have anything there. I'm literally putting my phone on the floor. iPhone 13 Pro Max, you want to put on the floor? No. Let's set up these things. Actually, you know what? You can book someone from Urban Company who fixes the sofas and the bed. The same people will come and do it. But I decided I'll do it because for one, they're charging 500 rupees, which is not worth it. And that time I was not free. That is the reason I did not fix the bed and all that. I could do it. It's not a rocket science. But these are pretty simple. For them, it is worth it, like paying 2 or 3,000 rupees. For this one, I don't think it is worth it. I'll finish it in like, let's see. We also got all the tools and all that from our Malkajgiri house. So I think we can fix it. By the way, you don't need any special tools to fix IKEA stuff because everything is like snap-on. Just like your Kinder Joy ka toys. That is the reason they're not like super durable. I mean, at least the cheap IKEA stuff. If you go for the expensive ones like solid wood, that will be expensive but they'll be long lasting as well. You get what you pay for. Whatever box you open, you'll get a boring instruction manual. But actually for IKEA stuff, you might need it. So don't throw it. These are all the parts and there are some more small parts left. Let's figure it out and finish it. Thing is, we have 2 of these. So now we are finally done with one. We have one more to do. I think it took me around 1 hour to do it. One more is gonna take 1 more. A total 2 hours of time. But time well spent. Look at this, Daddy. Get up. Get up. This is not the place to sit. Get up. Good. We're done. So this is how it looks. Chalo, both are done, but we still need to install something else. We need to put lamps on this. Should I do it now? Oh yes, one more thing, very important thing. We have to get the test done. Once again, RT-PCR. Obviously, when you're traveling international or even if you're taking a flight domestic, you have to do an RT-PCR test. Hopefully, we are negative. I've taken the test almost like 7 or 8 times by now. Plans to take the RT-PCR test in the evening, so it's better I finish all of this. And anything else in the evening? It is actually irritating. There are a lot of things to, a lot of forms and all that to fill. Immigration form because we're traveling international, and then after going, luckily, place we're going to, there's a clue once again. You don't need a visa. I mean, you need a visa, but you don't need to apply it from here. It's visa on arrival. Can you guys guess it? Yeah, that's it. And tomorrow we'll start packing. Naisha, anything else? Do you know where are we going? Do you know? Huh? Acting like acting.
Hello, मेरो baby. What a push.
this is how it looks. This is much needed here because I can put my phone. We have the plug points exactly here in case you want to put laptop and all that, and little bit of storage. We'll put the lamps here and it should look like a hotel room. Look of the room change instantly like that. This is what I say. When you have warm white colors and if you can design it with a basic sense, it is gonna look next level. It is actually good. Check this out. Woo! I need to clear all this mess here, but it literally transformed the room. So everything is almost done except one thing. I need to put a lamp here. Then we can complete this room because I hate tube lights here. When I'm working, I need that nice ambience. This is a lamp I got. It's a table lamp. And oh yes, we also need to put these watches. This will come in the bedroom. This will come in the hall. Chalo, that's it. We are done. Aisha has been a very good kid. We got the test done. RT-PCR. Tomorrow we'll get the results. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Last I waited like this for 10th class results. Hopefully, fingers crossed we get negative and we'll wrap.